Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a new speaker from Soundcore. 15 watts, powerful sound, RGB lights, IP68, bass up, 24-hour playtime from Anchor. Look at the speaker and passive radiator. So 24 hours playtime in eco mode. Emergency power bank, so you'll charge I think half charge for your iPhone. You can pair another one, multi-speaker connection, and IP68 waterproof and dust proof. So let's just open it. Okay, so ready to glow and go. Nice. Let's take this off. Very easy to remove and see what else we get. So I'm happy to say that we get obviously instructions and a charging cable, which a lot of other competitors they don't do anymore. So this is like a USB-C to C from what I see. It's not the longest, but it's good. So that's USB-C to C. Yeah, very light. And here it shows you how to operate, how to put on your handlebar or objects. And yeah, so one for bass up, normal or eco mode, twice for the mode, light mode, and more than twice I guess for the light on and off, or press and hold. Not sure what that means. But yeah, let's have a look. So look at this, guys. Metal grill, not the best if you drop it, but I've seen a guy dropping it and it was still alright. On one side we have the power, Bluetooth mode and Auracast and a display. On another side we have play, pause, volume up and down. On this side nothing, and on here the charger, USB-C charger. And then on the back you have this band, which you've seen it previously in some other speakers like the Tribit, where you just drag this out. Let me see. So you see it has that clip in there, you drag it out from that hole and then you can put it around your handlebar. And that will be pretty much like this. So you can see the other passive radiator in there on the back as well. So I think there's one on the front and one on the back. So let's power it on. That's a bit of the RGB. I'll probably show you later in the night. But this speaker, it's actually made to compare with this one. And there's a newer version of this as well. I have the, I can't remember what micro is this. Micro. But it's the same thing. So somewhere in here there's a USB-C charging as well. I've been using this when cycling and it was brilliant. Same setup, you know, passive radiator on the back. As you can see, pretty much. But this one doesn't have obviously a screen, just buttons. But it would be interesting to see how they compare in terms of sound, because they're pretty similar speakers. So yeah, I'm gonna test it and let you know. I'm gonna probably do a sound test at some point. I don't really have time now. But I want to say that I'm not even joking, like it is a big difference. They both go loud, they both have bass, but the sound is way more refined on the Soundcore. It simply is. It has nice highs, even a bit of low end bass, which I really like it. Obviously when you start increasing the sound, they both cut down on the bass, but so far I don't know how is the Tribit Micro 3, but this one definitely sounds more refined than this. Hi guys, yes, so we are outside. We're gonna try this Soundcore, I think it's Boom i3, something like that. It has a lot of good things, this speaker. Even has like an alarm kind of software. You have like relaxing sounds, nice RGB lights, loads of features. You can work as a power bank, but the sound is the most important, so I'm going to show you how it sounds. So I'm going to use this free song. and we start with this. Bear in mind we are in open space with loads of distractions, loads of noises, and I'm gonna increase to half. The ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Sounds really nice. Let me just go away from it. You can still hear it. Obviously you'll hear other sounds around, but let's just increase the sound to maximum. Hey guys, that's the maximum. Pretty loud. I think those guys can hear it. Hey, look, I'm far away. Still, you can hear. You can have a little outdoors party with us. Few friends, have a picnic. Look how loud it sounds. Like I bet you even if I go further to that, I can still hear it. You guys can still hear it, right? But I'm going far. It's just crazy how loud it is. This. Look how far I am from it. You can still hear it, though. You can still hear a bit of bass. No, yeah, this speaker is crazy good. And with the RGB lights, so nice. So with cycling with it, it's crazy good. It's maximum volume, but it still sounds nice. So this is how loud it is. Attention, devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is the one way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption.